Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java code can be tricky when dividing by zero, but this specific problem is actually quite simple to solve if you follow the logic carefully.
Starting with the call check at 10-0, we assign 10 to the variable sum and 0 to count. We must evaluate the first if statement condition to see what happens next.
The first part checks if count is not 0. Since count is 0, this part is false. Because of short-circuiting, the division never happens, so we skip to the next branch. Now we check the else if condition. Since count equals 0 is true, the entire OR statement is true immediately, so the program prints maybe. Well done! Option A is correct. Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing and trust the given logic.